I increased my credit score 70 points in 30 days. Here's the exact method. Most people think credit repair takes years, but there is a legal lever most folks overlook. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate a proper dispute. If they cannot verify in that window, they are required to remove it. The move is not disputing everything. It is targeting the 2 or 3 accounts doing the most damage. Focus on inconsistencies across bureaus and outdated items beyond the 7-year window. Skip huge upfront fees. You can do the basics yourself. This only applies to inaccurate, unverifiable, or outdated info, not valid, accurate debts. And watch out for big promises. The FTC flags scams that offer to erase accurate negatives. If someone claims they can remove accurate negatives, that is a scam. But if you have errors, this 3-0-day window can change everything. Let me show you the exact 3-0-day plan. We will target, document, dispute properly, and stack quick wins for the fastest legitimate improvement. Day 1. Pull your full 3 bureau reports and save PDFs. Build a simple tracker to log every negative item and discrepancy. Pick the 2 or 3 items doing the most damage. Gather proof, payments, dates, and anything that shows an error or mismatch. Write clear, specific disputes with the factual reason and requested correction or deletion. Submit to all 3 bureaus the same day and record submission times. If mailing, use certified mail and keep receipts for your timeline. Pay revolving balances to under 30% and ideally under 10% utilization. Set autopay and reminders so you do not add new lates. For a single late with long history, request a goodwill adjustment. If available, become an authorized user on a low utilization, long age account. Midpoint. Confirm bureaus marked your disputes as under investigation. Avoid new applications. Protect your score while you wait. Send polite follow-ups with case numbers, not new arguments. If asked for more info, upload only the proof tied to your specific dispute. Plan responses based on bureau outcomes, correction or deletion. On or before day 30, review the official results for each bureau. Log outcomes and confirm the live reports reflect the changes. You may see movement within 30-60 days depending on items and utilization. Next, the exact items to target and the wording that gets results. Target items with real grounds, mismatched dates, balances, duplicate accounts, or wrong limits. If dates or balances differ across bureaus, that inconsistency is a valid dispute. Past 7 years on most negatives, it should fall off. Do not dispute accurate, verifiable information. Avoid generic templates blasted to bureaus. Keep it specific and factual. Example: this account shows a 6-0-day late for 3/2022 on Experian, but not on the other bureaus. Please investigate accuracy. Example: reported balance is $1,240 here, but $980 elsewhere. Provide verification or correct the reporting. Attach only relevant proof. Statements, payment confirmations, or ID with sensitive data redacted. Bureaus generally have 30 days. Extensions can apply if you add data midstream. For third-party collections, request validation from the collector in writing. Watch for illegal re-aging. The original delinquency date should not change. If paid, ensure $0 balance is reported consistently on all bureaus. No bureau policies. Many small medical collections are removed under current standards. Dispute duplicate or unauthorized inquiries. Legitimate rate shopping windows usually count as 1. Some see fast results. Many see best gains over 30 to 90 days. Under CROA, no upfront payment before services are completed. Anything a credit repair firm can do, you can do for little or no cost. No one can legally guarantee removal of accurate negative items. Next, we stack quick, legitimate gains that boost your score regardless of disputes. Pay down cards before statement dates to lower reported utilization. Time payments before statements cut, not just due dates. Preserve old accounts and keep a healthy mix of credit types. Enable alerts to catch changes quickly and act fast. Build a perfect on-time streak from today forward. I saw a 7-0-point lift in 30 days after 2 inconsistent items were deleted. After 60 days, a few marks were removed, and we gained about 40 points. Some see little change. Results vary widely by profile and items. Regulators have shut down abusive operations, making false promises. Typical subscriptions range $79 to $139. Some bill only after results. DIY with discipline can save thousands in fees. A. Some changes show in 30-60 days. Many take longer. A. Ask for correction if partially wrong, or wait for natural aging while improving other factors. A. Prioritize top impact items. Mass, vague disputes risk being deemed frivolous. A. If the primary runs high balances or misses payments, it can hurt you. A. Dispute only unauthorized or duplicate pulls. Legitimate ones remain for a while. Recap. Pull, track, target, dispute properly, and drop utilization. Act carefully, document everything, and ignore anyone promising illegal shortcuts. 30 days is enough to start a measurable turnaround when you do the right things in the right order.